Hello everyone, so in this video I am going to download and install Eclipse in Windows 11. So this is a site where you can download Eclipse. So on this page it says the Eclipse installer 2022-12R now includes Java. So you don't have to install Java separately, it now includes Java. So I'm going to click on download. I get to this page, click on this download button and it's downloading. It's an exe file. It's about 120 megabytes. So it's downloaded. I'm going to click on open. So there's a whole list that I can choose Eclipse for different programs. There's Eclipse for web development, for C++ developers. So the one I'm going to choose is Eclipse IDE for Java developers. I'll click on that. This is the installation folder and you have the option to change that. There's a drop-down tab here next to Java 17. Click on that and the latest is 19. So I'm going to select 19. Click install. Click accept now. So it's installing. So it's going to take a few minutes to install. There are two checkboxes here, create a start menu entry and create a desktop shortcut. So both are checked and it's going to create a desktop shortcut. So it's done. So this is the icon. I'm going to click on launch. So this box says select a directory as a workspace. And this is the default location. You can change this if you want. I'm going to leave it as is. I'm also going to check this box, use this as the default and do not ask again. Click launch. So this is the welcome screen. I am going to close this. I'm going to exit out. So on the left side, I can create a new Java project just by clicking on this. So instead I can go to File, highlight New. So on the right side, I'm going to click on Java project. So I have to type a project name. I'm going to type Windows 11. So in the use default location, this is the default location. It already placed the project name in the workspace. So in this section here, use an execution environment, I'm going to leave it as default, Java 19. There's a drop-down tab here. And there are a lot of choices. I'm going to leave it as 19. I'm going to leave everything else as default. Click finish. So on the left side, this is the project name. There's a drop down arrow. I'm going to click on it. On the source folder, I'm going to right click, highlight new. I'm going to create a new Java class. I'll click on class. And this is a new Java class. This is the source folder. I can change that. I'm leaving it as default. The package name, I'll leave it as default. And the name, I'm going to type a name. I'm going to type sample. On this section here, which method stubs would you like to create? Now this is just a sample. I'm just going to uncheck this inherited abstract methods and check public static. And I'll click finish. So I'm going to run the first Java program. And I'm going to go to File and I'm going to click on Save All. So I'm going to right click here and I'm going to select Run As, select First Java Application. So the program ran successfully. So in this video I downloaded the Eclipse program and I installed it in Windows 11. So I hope this video was helpful to you. I thank you for watching and I thank you for subscribing.